up? So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys this huge box that I received from Splat Hair Color. I had to take my lashes off, you guys, because they were hanging on by a thread, and yeah, I was over it. So here is what the package they sent looks like. It is absolutely humongous and has everything I need in it to change my hair color about 72 times. So the first products that they sent in this box is their hair chalk. They sent the shade Lemon Lime, the shade Sunkiss, throwing it, and the shade Pink Hearts. Next, they sent over a little bag of candy, which I thought was so sweet. Can't wait to dig into that later. And then now for the actual hair colors. They sent over their Midnight Jade, and this is a no bleach kit, so you don't have to damage your hair with the bleaching and all of that stuff. You can just apply the color right on, and it says that it's a long-lasting hair color that's best for brunettes. So I'm thinking maybe this side over here. Who knows? But this is a gorgeous color. Here is another no bleach kit, and this is in the shade Midnight Tanzanite. Super pretty. They sent over 2 of their complete kits, and this does have bleach and peroxide in it. This is in the shade Blue Envy, and this is in the shade Crimson Obsession. They were also kind enough to send over one of their ombre kits, and this has 2 colors inside, Pink Mist and Violet Storm. They also sent over one of their conditioning gloss masks, which is a colorless conditioning gloss. And this is supposed to deep condition the hair and add shine. They sent over 2 of these kind of hair colors, which are in the shades Orange Fireballs and Lemon Drop. And then 2 of their Naturals line, which is the semi-permanent hair color, and this is in purple and teal. And last but not least, some color removing wipes. In case I get it on my skin, I can just take one of these wipes and wipe it off. So yeah, you guys, big thank you to Splat for sending me all of these colors to try. I'm gonna be my own walk-in salon for the next like year and a half or so. I'm good. I don't have to go to a beauty supply for a while. You guys be sure to go follow Splat Hair Color on all their social medias, and be sure to check them out at splathaircolor.com. Remember to live life in color, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more. Woo. And I'll be back with another video very soon. Bye, you guys.